Hello, I am Samir Srivastav. This is my Todo List project. Here I am using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This helps to manage our daily tasks. In this section, here we can add any tasks which we want just by clicking on add button. Just add some tasks quickly. Here you have to write your task name like paying bill and click on the add task button. Now your task is added in the list. Similarly, school fee. Click on the add task button. Similarly, house tax. Similarly, electricity bill. Okay, now we have entered some tasks and display on the list just like that. You can also see the total number of tasks here. Okay, if you want to delete a task, just click on the delete button just like that. Your task is deleted from the list. If you want to edit your task, just click on the edit button just like that. You can edit your task here and click on the add task button. Your task is edited. If the task is completed, simply click on the checkbox just like that. Okay, now this section, all pending and completed, it helps to filter the tasks like task is completed or incompleted. If you click on the pending, you can see these two tasks are incompleted. If you click on the completed, you can see this task is completed. Okay, now if you want to clear the whole list, just click on the clear all button. Okay, you can see the whole list is clear. This is how Todo List works. Let's jump to the code. This is my HTML file. This is a link for the CSS. Okay, in the body we have a container. In container we have an input section. Input tag is used for taking an input, and button tag is used for adding a task. This is a filtered section which is used for filtering the tasks. This is the inner list for the tasks, and this div class is used for displaying the number of tasks. Okay, now this is the link for the JavaScript file. Now let's go to the CSS. These all are the code for the CSS. You can see heading of the app, main container, input section, buttons, delete button, edit buttons, count of the task, filter section, clear button, list of the tasks. These all are the code for the CSS, which is used for beautifying and styling the web application. Now this is used for the responsiveness of the Todo List app. Okay, now let's go to the JavaScript. These all are the selectors. These are all the selectors. This selector is for the taking input. This selector is used for the filter. This is used for the clear button, and this is for the list of the tasks. This is ID of the task which has to be edited. Okay, here we get the ID of the add button. Similarly, here we get the ID of for the count of the tasks. Now we have add event listener to the add button. Okay, here we filtering the task list pending completed. Here we have to add event listener to clear all button. These now functions. This function is for the showing the list of the task. This function used for the check of the task, to check the task is completed or not. This function for editing the tasks, and this function for deleting the tasks. Okay, now this is my JavaScript. That's the end of the Todo List. Thank you.